petal sleeve stitching method. This can be said as petal sleeve or butterfly sleeve or fish cut sleeve. To draw this model, we need ordinary basic sleeve pattern. Basic sleeve pattern. Draw the basic sleeve pattern in a chart paper. Mark the center points. Mark the center points of the basic drawing pattern. Now in this petal sleeve model, we no need bottom folding cloth, so we are drawing a line, the bottom folding point, and draw a center line. Draw a center line, center line and bottom folding line. Now mark the points as 3, 4, as 3, 3, 4, 5, from the bottom folding point take half inch towards top side. From the both side take half inch towards top side and draw a straight line. And draw a straight line. And draw a straight line in the bottom side. Straight line in the bottom side. This is for bottom piping purpose we are taking. Now from the center line take 3 inch for all the measurements. 3 inch is enough. From the center line take 3 inch towards one side and mark the point. Takes 3 inch towards inside and mark the point. Mark the point as 10 and 11. Mark the point as 10 and 11. And from the another side take 3 inch towards another side. 3 inch towards another side. Three inch towards another side and mark the points as 12 and 13. Mark the points as 12 and 13. Draw a straight line joining the 11 and 10 and 12 and 13. Join the marks 10 and 11 and 12 and 13. Now from the center point 1 take 1 inch towards top side. Take 1 inch towards top side. Take 1 inch towards top side and from the point 1 take 1 inch towards top side. And name it as 14. Name it as 14. Now join the points from 13 to 14, from 10 to 14, from 14 to 12. Join the marks from 10 to 14, from 14 to 12. This is for petal sleeve bent side. Petal sleeve bent side. Now cut the shape from the bottom line from the bottom line, cut these shapes. Now cut the top side, cut at the top side. Now the one side sleeve have been ready, one side sleeve have been ready. Now cut the center, mark the center point, mark the center point. Now place the sleeve pattern in the fabric. Back will be normal, cutting the sleeve, marking the sleeve and cutting the sleeve. This is for measuring the bottom piping purpose. This part of the sleeve should be stitched with piping. So we are measuring the distance for piping. The distance is 14 inch. Piping should be this measurement. This is for one side. This both sleeves are for one side. Now stitching the piping, cut the 1.5 inch piece for piping cloth, fold the one side cloth by 1/2 inch, fold the one side cloth with 1/2 inch. Now we are stitching the piping. We are stitching the piping piece. Now method 2, stitch the petal sleeve. In the bottom side compulsory piping should be made, so that the piping should be in contrast color. Stitching the piping in the bottom side of the sleeve portion. Stitching the piping in the bottom side of the sleeve portion. Stitching on the another side of the bottom sleeve portion. Now we are stitched the piping in the bottom side. For one set there will be 2 parts of petal sleeve models. For one blouse there will be 4 pieces. Stitch the piping in the 4 pieces. Stitch the piping in the bottom 4 pieces. Make the piping stitch. This stitch should be on the blouse cloth only, not should be on the piping cloth. Fold the piping cloth towards inside. Piping is as normal method only. Stitch the piping cloth. Stitching the piping in the sleeve part. Stitch the piping part. Stitch the piping for all the 4 pieces. Stitch the piping for all the 4 pieces. Now after stitching the piping, rotate the piping towards inside and make the folding stitch. Make the folding stitch in the top side. Now the petal sleeve for one side have been ready. Now make the both sides center as equal. The center of the both sides should be equal. The pieces should be overlap. One bottom side one piece and top side one piece. The center mark should be equal. Now we have place in the both side sleeves. For look, place the front piece in the bottom side and the back side piece in the front side, top side, so that the look of piping and petal sleeve designs will be looked in the front side. Stitch the top side. This is the top side of the sleeve part. After this stitching, we can join the sleeve as usual as the normal blouse or chudidar method. For petal sleeve model, the sleeve height can be 5 inch or 6 inch. Maximum is 6 inch. It will be look good for model. Watch the video slowly and you can understand the method. Now the both sides sleeve have been joined. After this, we can stitch this part in the blouse piece. After this, make the both piece center as equal and place the sleeve pattern and cut the extra pieces for front side. And join the piece in the blouse or chudidar for your choice. After joining the petal sleeve, cut the extra front bent pieces and then join with the cloth, blouse piece or chudidar piece.